champions, my friends. And we'll keep on fighting till the end.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, Troystarz, trucking. Thanks for tuning in. And in this video, I just want to give some highlights, you know what I mean? Just to give a heads up to all my trucker family out there in the snow, you know what I mean? There's a snowstorm here in Canada, I mean Ontario and most part of it. And I know it's also in the States as well. So I'm just reaching out to all my truckers, you know what I mean, my young truckers to, you know, be more cautious on the road, you know, take precaution, you know what I mean, be more vigilant to the road, you know what I mean, look ahead, be more prepared, you know what I mean. I have some videos that I've done maybe 2 years or 1 year ago, you know what I mean, where I was explaining more about driving in the snow and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and attach those videos onto this video at the ending of this video. So I just want to reach out to you guys to be more careful out there, you know what I mean. I was just looking at the news, and the news is telling me that a bunch of tractor trailers are jackknifed, you know what I mean, block the street and stuff like that. That they count over 400 accidents in Toronto yesterday alone, you know what I mean. And there are a couple tractor trailers that, you know, jackknife and, you know what I mean, and, you know, cost someone life yesterday too. So I'm reaching out to all my truckers to just be more careful. If you don't need to drive, do not, you know what I mean, call the dispatch, let them know you don't feel safe, the road condition is not suitable to drive, you know what I mean. Don't chase the money, you know what I mean, just be very careful. I mean, like I said before, this is just a heads up to all my truckers, to all my, you know, to the trucking world, and to my subscribers also, you know what I mean, just to be more careful out there. Even car drivers, you know what I mean, careful of just pressing on the brakes only, you know what I mean. Sometimes you gotta just cool down the car a bit and then steer more, not, you know, like just keep braking, you know what I mean? Just to be more careful, not to be sliding up and down, not to be creating an accident, and, you know, every life matters, so just be careful. Now, you know, this is Troystarz trucking. I just want to do this video just to send it out, just to, you know, give my truckers just an upliftment of being more careful. That's it. So thanks for tuning in. You know, it's Troystarz trucking.
Into the nighttime. 4 walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way? If they say why keep him around, tell them that it's human nature. Why does he do it that way?
For more videos like this, please subscribe.